Good evening, all.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, all. Good evening. Are you here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, there was some technical issue, so none of the teachers were able to join the class. Yes, many of you are connecting audio. Can you all hear me? Ahil, Tushar, Diksha. Can you hear me?
Sir, I can hear you.
Diksha, can you hear me? Can you all hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. How many of you done with your worksheet?
Sir, I have submitted.
Okay, everyone please have a look at the screen. Let me show it to you. Here, if you go all topics, can you see the left hand side all topics? Can you see left hand side? You can find all topics here.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So under that, if you
Sir,
just scroll
how
down,
did you go to all topics? Like, how did you get there? Can you show?
sorry, where?
How did you get, like, first from classroom, then how did you choose this? Like, how could you see all this?
Look at this. This is my classroom. Okay. So if you go to the stream, in stream everything, every teacher, whatever they post here, every teacher's notification you can get it out here. But look at, if you go classwork, can you see the classwork? Can you all see the classwork here?
Yes, yes.
If
Yes,
you
sir.
just click on that, you will get all topics here. So if you scroll down like this, you find out a topic called worksheets. Just go through that. So as soon as you go through that, as soon as you enter into that, see here, you just found, look at this.
Sir, I messaged you in private WhatsApp, right? Actually, about the no. Actually, I submitted my worksheet to you privately in WhatsApp.
Yes. One second, there is some issue, I think. Not this one. One second.
Sir, your voice is very low, sir.
Yes, yes, 1 second. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So it seems internet issue. See, I don't see this worksheet. Where is it? One second. I uploaded it. Yesterday I was able to see and now I'm not able to see.
Yes, sir. Yesterday when I opened, it was the same, but there was no option to add the worksheet.
No. One second, children. I'm not able to find the worksheet which I uploaded. I gave one surface areas and volume and surface area, right?
Yes.
But I don't find that. One second. Acha, it is in surface areas and volumes. Yes. Look at this. Let me change into worksheets. One second. It should have been assigned actually. One second, everyone. Guys, how many of you finished your worksheets? Let me re-upload it. One second. Guys, how many of you sent me personally?
So I have sent Steve.
What about others? I think Amruta has sent me. Yes or no?
Sir, I have sent.
Anudeep. And who else?
Ashish. Ashish also.
Yes, it was not in there. Now I'll show you. Wait. So today is the deadline, 10 o'clock. Okay, today 10 p.m. Worksheets. Submit to me before 10.
Sir, I sent you in WhatsApp.
Yeah, no problem. You upload here. Okay. Not this one. Guys, how many of you solved all 20 questions? Hello.
So done. That.
I don't know with what name I saved that. Guys, can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Guys, how many have you sent me in WhatsApp? That's what I'm asking.
So I have sent Steve.
Steve has sent.
Sir, even I have sent Amrita.
Okay. What about others? Yes, I'll post it and I'll show it you how to upload it over there. Okay, that is what I'm trying to show here. Just a minute, 1 second. Yes. Chalo, now look at this. Okay, so I uploaded this one. So after this assignment, no, if you just look at this. If you just click on yes, Akil has submitted how? Sorry, Akil. See here, guys, you can submit here. You will get an option called add your file. Okay, so if you go through the student's work, you can find out option called attach. I'm not finding it. So you will find
Yes, sir. I can see add or create.
yes,
There
add
are
or
something.
yes, add or create. So if you click on that, you can add your answer sheet. You please everyone instead of sending me in WhatsApp today, please those who have submitted already in WhatsApp through WhatsApp, please submit over here again. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo, let's begin our session. Yes, we were in surface areas and volumes, right?
Yes, sir.
So till what we have discussed? Till what we have discussed? Children, till what we have discussed? Hello. So kindly everyone please submit the worksheet by 10 p.m. Today, 10 p.m. And Pratyusha, Prativa, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Why were you absent for many classes?
Sir, actually there was Durga Puja, so we were out and not at home. So
कितना दिन दुर्गा पूजा करोगे आप? दुर्गा माता की पूजा कितना दिन करोगे? बताओ, हाउ मेनी डेज? हाँ,
Sir, 5.
5 दिन दुर्गा माता पूजा, तो 5 दिन का आप तो हम लोग को absent बनाना है क्या? हाँ, yes. Tell me, you must talk. Have you gone through video lectures? I mean, recording lectures?
No, sir, I'll do it today.
Sorry?
No, sir, I'll do it today.
Okay. So please finish it up. And you should have asked me, right? No one has texted me that you are not, attending the class. So and so. You should have texted me or, asked me, sir, I'm not able to join. Everyone must do that. See, before bunking the class, before not attending the class, please inform us in prayer. Okay. Is that clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And Akil has submitted. What about Ashish?
Sir, I submitted in WhatsApp, sir. Now
Please,
I will submit
yes.
in Google Class.
Very good. Himanshu,
Sir, I will submit it by 8 o'clock.
कल क्यों नहीं सबमिट किया था?
No, sir, I was unable to do it, sir. Only 9 questions I have done, sir.
Why couldn't you yesterday done? I'm asking.
Sir.
Yesterday it was the deadline, right? So if you are unable to join, I asked you to, like, see guys, whenever I'm asking you to do something, please stick to your deadlines, adhere to deadlines. If you are unable to submit somewhere where I just actually wanted you to submit, then you please send me through WhatsApp. If you are unable to submit through Google Classroom or Wise, whatever, please submit through WhatsApp. I hope it is clear with everyone.
Yes, sir.
Pratyusha, Pratibha, please go through the surface areas and volumes lectures. We have done with the 2 lectures. Okay. What about Tanvi?
Yes, sir. I did not submit it, so I'll submit it today.
Have you done it?
Yes, sir, I completed.
Then why couldn't you submit?
So today I completed. So
Finished or yet to finished?
no, sir, finished today.
Today only you finished.
Yes, sir.
Then why couldn't you finish yesterday? I'm asking. Why? Tell me. Please stick to your deadlines. Don't repeat the same thing again. Tushar, what about you, Tushar? Tushar.
Sir, I've completed the few problems. I should do more 5 to 6 problems.
Then when will you do it? When will you submit? Yesterday it was the deadline. Why you
I'll
are
do
not?
it today, sir.
Why you are not? Strict. Adhering to your deadline. Why you are not standing on that deadline?
Sir, you haven't given the assignment, so I was not so strict over that.
Sorry.
You're not given the assignment to submit, sir. So during that case, I wasn't very regular to submit that.
I did not give the assignment.
Yes, sir. You have given, but you have not given the place to submit it.
You have WhatsApp, right?
Yes, sir.
Then you should have asked me, right? Drop a message. So you have my number, right? Everyone have my number. So you can take it out. You can save my number and drop a message to me. Sir, I'm unable to do that. See guys, before telling me kind of excuses, please everyone try to approach me and ask the permission. So if you have any issues, so if you ask me, that would be better. If you ask, then before taking a decision, please do ask. If you are unable to something, if you are unable to do something, or if you are unable to submit, if you are unable to solve whatever the problem related to the homework and whatever the problem related to math, please do feel free to ask the doubts, express your doubts freely. Okay, is
Yes,
that
sir.
clear? What about Udbhav?
Sir, I have to complete, sir.
उद्भव कब कंप्लीट करोगे भाई? When will you
Sir,
complete?
I was out, sir. इसलिए नहीं.
ये
I'll submit by
आउट
tomorrow.
आउट कितना आउट होता हो भाई? आउट रहेंगे
Sir,
तो हम
test,
लोग, हमारा जिंदगी भी आउट ही हो जाएगा. समझ रहे हैं?
festival.
हम लोग आउट नहीं रहना चाहिए, हम लोग इन रहना चाहिए. इन इन हमेशा आउट रहेंगे तो हम लोग आउट हो जाएगा जिंदगी भी. ठीक है,
ठीक है.
जिंदगी भी आउट हो जाएगी. मैंने बता रहा हूँ, सुनिए एक बार मेरे बात. एवरीवन गाइस, नॉट ओनली उद्भव, everyone should submit before 10 p.m. today. I don't know what you guys to do. Please do submit before 10. After the class, have your dinner, be seated with that, and please do submit the worksheets before 10 p.m. today.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Chalo, we'll go ahead with the problems. Let's continue. Don't make me to repeat the same things again and again. Yes. Tell me, what are the things we have discussed? Everyone must tell. Till what we have discussed. Arey, should tell, yaar. Hello? Guys, you must respond.
Yes, sir.
Till what we have discussed.
Sir, we have discussed till the areas of the rectangle, the cylinder, and different other different shapes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir. We discussed the cylindrical shape part. Cylinder.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's continue with that. Cylindrical part we have discussed, right? And we have solved the questions as well, right?
Yes, sir. Few
Yes, sir. In
questions.
the middle, you keep giving 2-3 questions for every topic. We
Okay.
did that.
Chalo. Okay. Next. Cylinder surface area. Now we'll go ahead with the right circular cone. Right, guys, until and unless you talk, I'll be keep asking the questions. Everyone must talk. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right circular cone and its surface area. Okay. Sorry.
So Akhil said that Ahil is in the waiting room.
Who is in the waiting room? No one is in the waiting room. You can see that. Chalo. I'm talking about right circular cone and its surface area. How the cone will be? How many of you had that cone ice cream? सबको तो पता ही होगा ना कौन कैसा होता है.
Yes, sir.
दिस द कोन आइसक्रीम. ठीक है, हम ऊपर से खाते हैं, इसको थोड़ा ऐसा पलटा दो. ठीक है, एक बार इसको पलटा देंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, ये कोन आइसक्रीम वाला ये कोन. ठीक है, everyone be careful here. Look at this now. This is the down part will be a circular circle. Yes or no? So this will be what now? Radius. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This will be my height. Let's say this is my height. This part क्या हो जाएगा, h हो जाएगा l. और ये क्या है मेरा लेंथ, ये है ना मेरा लेंथ है. ठीक है.
Yes.
हाँ, हम देखेंगे अभी.
Pi r.
Look at this. इसका क्या देखेंगे हम लोग. फर्स्ट will here
Sir, take iodine.
circular. हाँ,
Sir, iodine in waiting room.
what is CSA here? CSA क्या होगा?
Curve surface area, which is pi r.
Curve surface area of right circular cone. क्या होगा, इधर पाई है मेरे पास, रेडियस है, आर यल है. ठीक है. हाँ, नाउ देखो टोटल सरफेस एरिया क्या होगा. टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ राइट सर्कुलर कोन. व्हाट इज दैट? मेरा कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया प्लस कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया और लैटरल सरफेस एरिया बहुत सेम ही होता है. कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया क्या होता है बताओ इधर मुझे.
Sir, curved surface area is same as lateral surface area, sir.
Yeah.
Taking out the top and the bottom. Case of this cone, if we cut it and we open it, it will be a rectangle.
Yeah.
So that will be our lateral surface area or curved surface area of the cone.
Look at this. If you cut and if you open that, it will be what?
Rectangle.
Now you can just, if you have doubt, you can imagine, you can make a cone, just cut it and just look at have a look at that. Okay, so curved surface area plus area of base. This is my total surface area. Curved surface area तो मुझे ऑलरेडी पता है, पाई आर एल. एरिया ऑफ द बेस क्या है? एरिया ऑफ द बेस ये क्या है भाई, सर्किल है. एरिया ऑफ द सर्किल इज व्हाट, पाई आर स्क्वायर.
Sir, pi r into r plus l.
देखो मुझे पाई आर आई कैन टेक कॉमन, एल प्लस आर.
Yes, sir.
So this is what the thing of, this is what the formula for right circular cone. Right circular cone basically curved surface area. What is that? Pi or L. Total surface area is what? Curved surface area plus the bottom surface area. The bottom is what? It's looking like circle, right? So area of the circle is pi r square. So this is what my formula here. Now I'll give a simple question here. If you are not getting it, please take a paper, try the experiment at your home so that you will understand. Okay. Guys, what is the slant height?
So it is the height of the cone, but in the slanting direction.
Slant height of the cone is what? L. ये मेरे पास L है ना, slant height. So if you just take a triangle, apply the Pythagoras theorem, you will get it. Oh, एक minute. If you take as a triangle, so my hypotenuse is L here, and base is R. R, this is my height. So what is slanted? I need L, right? I need L. So what is that? Square root of base square plus height square. Very simple. I hope it is clear with everyone. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this L, what is L here? This L is what? Square root of R square plus H square. Yes. Are you able to understand, everyone? Children?
Yes, sir.
This will solve a simple question and we'll move forward for the next topic. Everyone take this question. Calculate.
Sir, but then how do you find the volume of the cone?
वॉल्यूम का मतलब क्या होता है, बताओ मुझे. What do you mean by volume?
So the capacity that can hold the figure, which the figure can hold.
Yes, capacity.
That the figure can hold.
Surface area. 1 second. Let me write this question. We'll come to that. Surface area of a cone whose radius is 8 centimeters. Height is 12 centimeters. Yes. So who was asking that? So volume of cone, you want to write volume of the cone. V. What? 1/3 times of 1/3 pi r square h.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Volume of cylinder is what? Any one of you? Volume of cylinder, any one of you? How? मेरे पास देखो ये 1/3 pi r square कैसा मिल रहा है मुझे? Imagine the situation here. देखो मेरे पास this is my cone here. Let's say this is my cone and this is my, let's say this is my एक minute. This is my cylinder. ठीक है? देखो ठीक है. So what is the volume of cylinder? What is the volume of cylinder? Guys, how the cylinder forms here? All the circles. So what is the volume of the cylinder? Guys, we forgot to write volume of the cylinder. Please everyone write volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder I'm writing here. Guys, before this you can copy. Before this, volume of cylinder is what? Tell me what is the volume of cylinder, everyone? Hello? Imagine, tell me. You can tell me easily, yaar. You don't have anything to discuss. Look at this here. Volume of cylinder is what? Pi r square h. How? देखो मेरे पास how मेरे पास let me take this is my cone. I mean not cone, cylinder. ठीक है? How you are able to form that? See here. By making all the circles together. Yes or no, people? Are you people able to understand? Hello? Children, look at this, all the circles. Circle, area of the circle pi r square. I'm making height. Look at this here. We are building height, right? By framing all the circles, we are building a height. That is what? The volume of the cylinder. ठीक है? Yes or no, people?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is the volume of cylinder. Volume of cone is what? 1 by 3 pi r square h. How we got that volume 1 by 3 pi r square h? Simple. Look at this here. So if I take cone inside this, okay, inside the cylinder, if I insert the cone, I know that this is a pi r square h, and this is what? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Yes or no? If you observe this clearly, guys, volume is what? 1 by 3 into area of the, if I talk about cone, 1 by 3 into area of this circular, area of the circular base into the height. That is what my what? Volume of the cone. I hope it is clear with everyone. How it is 1/3 here? This volume is what? Volume of this cone will be equal to what? 1/3 of the product of the area of the base and height. How it is 1/3? Tell me. See here, guys. Volume of the cone is what? This is 1/3. This is 1/3 of the cylinder. 1/3 of the volume of the cylinder. You understand? Is that clear? So, if 3 times of that cones, which means 1/3 of that particular cylinder gives you what? 1/3 of that particular volume of the cylinder gives you what? Volume of the cone. Hello? Children, are you able to understand here? So here volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Volume of the cone is what? 1 by, this is what? Volume of this is what? 1 by pi r square. How? I have base here. I have base and height I have. So this height. And this is what? 1/3 of that particular 1/3 of volume of the cylinder is equal to volume of the cone. So what you understood now? Volume of the cone is equal to what? 1/3 of pi r square h. This is slant height of my cone, and the volume of cylinder is pi r square h. I hope it is clear with everyone. Any doubts? Is my voice is clear with everyone, people?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now solve this question. Calculate the total surface area of the cone whose radius is 8 centimeters and height is 12. You have to find out total surface area, TSA. I need an answer. Quick, come on. Hello, what happened? What is the total surface area? Pi r into
L plus R, sir.
what is radius? 8. What is radius? 8 plus what is L here? What is L here? Square root of h square plus r square. First you find out L value. Height is given 12 square. R is given 8 square. I mean 8. So 144 plus 64. L is equal to what? 144 plus 64. How much? 208. What is the square root of 208? Nearly. What is the 14 square? 196, right? So it will be 14 point something. 14 square is 196. So it is just greater than 196. So 14 point nearly 3. 14 point nearly 3. 8. Okay. 14 point. 14 point something you take. 14.3, I think so. Nearly. So total surface area. How much I got now? L value this much. Substitute here 14.3. So 22 by 7 into 8 into 14.3 plus 8. How much? How much? 22.3. So calculate this, you will get the answer. That is my total surface area. You will get in decimal. Guys, you calculate this accurately. I don't know. I just randomly. Why? Because I just told randomly. Why? Because 14 square is how much? 196, right? It is just greater than 196. So 196 is 14 square. So it will be somewhere 14 point something only. So how much greater than 9, 12? So 12 means 14.4 somewhere will come, not 14.3, 14.4 somewhere. People 14.4. So 14.4. So 22.4. You calculate, you will get in decimals. Hope you understood this.
Yes, sir, we understood.
Now I'll give a question. Everyone should solve that. Calculate the radius. Calculate the radius of the base of a cylindrical container of volume 440 centimeter cube. Height of the cylindrical container is 35 centimeter. Make it fast. Solve the question. Is there anyone is waiting list? Is there any in a waiting room?
Sir, got the answer.
What is the answer?
2 centimeter. Radius equals to 2 centimeter.
Yes. He has given volume here. Volume is what? Pi r square h. Volume of what? Cylindrical. Volume of cylinder. He has given cylindrical, which means pi r square h is equal to 440. So he has given what? Height given. So pi r square into height given 35. Calculate it very simply. So 35 ones, 35 how much? 35 ones, 35, 4 sir. Yes sir, no, 14 only, no?
Yes, 35 books.
No man, no. 35 ones, 35. So remainder how much? 9, 90. 90 means how much? We need to find what? Radius, huh? What do we need to find?
Sir,
Radius.
we need to find the radius. Height and volume are given.
Let us write first 22 by 7 into r square into 35 is equal to 440. So r square is equal to 440 into 7 by 35 into 22. Better you calculate like this. 22 ones, 22 20s, 7 ones, 7 fives, 5 ones, 5 fours. R square is equal to 4. R is equal to, yes or no? Clear? It may, you can make your
Yes, sir.
calculation. Next question. Girls, are you able to understand? Girls, I'm not getting a response from anyone. Girls, are you here, girls?
Yes, sir.
Make it fast. Make it fast.
Sir, 66.
66. What about others? 66 what? What?
So 66 centimeter
66.
cube. Centimeter cube.
Centimeter cube. Cubic centimeters. Yes.
Yes.
64 centimeter cube.
What about others? Everyone got the answer? So the height of the given
Yes, sir.
cone
I
is
got
what?
66.
Height of the cone given 7 centimeters. The diameter given what? Diameter given 6 centimeters. So diameter is equal to what? 2 times of radius. So 6 centimeter. R is equal to what? 3 centimeters. Okay, we need to find the volume. What is the volume of what? Volume of circular base. Circular base means cone. He's talking about cone only. What is the volume of cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 22 by 7 into r into 3 into 3 into height 7. So don't write r square as 9 so that you can cancel easily here. 7 will be getting answer. So 22 into 3 how much? 22 into 3 how much? 66. So here volume. So here r square का मतलब सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, हाइट भी सेंटीमीटर में है तो सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर इंटू सेंटीमीटर, तो मुझे मिलेगा 66 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. I hope it is clear with everyone. Any doubts, beta? So we have plenty of questions like this, and we'll solve in the next class. And probably day after tomorrow, I'll be conducting an extra class. Day after tomorrow, probably day after tomorrow. Okay, we'll update you the timings and all. Okay. Thank you, children. Goodbye.